Hi everyone. Is your Android phone fingerprint sensor not detecting your fingerprint or not working properly? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple ways to fix this fingerprint problem step by step. Step 1. Clean the fingerprint sensor. First, make sure the fingerprint sensor is clean. Use a soft clean to wipe the sensor and remove dust, oil or moisture. Sometimes a dirty sensor can stop fingerprint detection. Step 2. Restart your phone. Now restart your Android phone. A simple robot can refresh system services and fix temporary fingerprint issues. Step 3. Remove and re-add fingerprint. Go to Settings, Security, Fingerprint or Biometrics. Delete the existing fingerprint and add it again. Make sure to scan your fingerprint from different angles for better accuracy. Step 4. Check screen protector. If your phone has an in-display fingerprint sensor, check your screen protector. Some thick or low quality protectors can block fingerprint detection. Step 5. Update phone software. Go to Settings, Software Update, and check for updates. Sometimes system bug can cause fingerprint problem and updates usually fix them. Step 6. Reset fingerprint settings. If the problem continues, remove all saved fingerprints and set them up again from scratch. Last option, check for hardware issue. If none of these steps work, the fingerprint sensor might have a hardware problem. In that case, visit an authorized service center for inspection. And that's it. These steps should help you to fix fingerprint not detecting on your Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tips.